Hey everyone. So, have you ever thought about building an AI that really gets you? I'm not talking about one that knows about the whole world. I mean one that knows about your world. Your company's private data, those project spreadsheets you live in. Well, today we're going to dive into how that's actually becoming a reality.
And really, that's the million-dollar question, right? We've all played around with powerful AIs, but they have no clue about the specifics of our business. So how do you cross that bridge? How do you build a custom tool that knows your unique data inside and out, and do it securely without needing a whole army of developers?
So to get to the bottom of this, we're going to follow along with a real-world test. Someone actually tried to build a custom AI agent from the ground up just to ask questions about their own private data. But as you're about to see, the first try, it didn't exactly go to plan.
You know that feeling, right? It's the moment of truth for any new piece of tech. You get everything set up, you ask that first, hopeful question, and the answer is just wrong. Flat out wrong. The agent was asked a simple question, how many students does this teacher have? And it confidently came back with 15. The real answer? 20. So, right out of the gate, a total flop.
So what happened? Was the AI just broken? Nope, not at all. The issue was something much more fundamental. It was the data it was given to learn from. See, there was this tiny error in the timing information in the database, and that one little thing was throwing the whole system off. But as soon as that was fixed and re-uploaded, everything started working. It's a perfect example of that golden rule of AI you always hear about: garbage in, garbage out. The AI is only ever as smart as the information you feed it.
Okay, so with that really important lesson under our belts, let's check out the actual tool that makes all this possible. We're going to look at the platform that's built specifically for this kind of thing, for creating your very own custom AI.
So, what is it? Put simply, Copilot Studio is what they call a low-code tool. That just means you don't have to be a hardcore programmer to use it. You can basically just point an AI at your own stuff, spreadsheets, websites, all those internal docs, and it creates a specialized assistant that becomes an expert on that specific data and nothing else.
All right, the database is fixed. That first epic fail is in the rearview mirror. Now it's time for the real test. Let's see what this thing can actually do. Can this custom AI handle some pretty tough challenges based on that private data? Let's find out. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. We're about to find out if this AI can do more than just, look stuff up. Can it actually analyze information? Let's throw the first challenge at it. First up, a question for an agent that's been trained on a student database. And this is not a simple question. It's not just find a name. No, this requires the AI to juggle 3 different things at the same time: the student's age, what instrument they play, and what time their lesson is. That's a lot to keep track of. So to nail this, the AI has to dig through all this mixed-up data: names, ages, lessons, times. And the key is, it has to find only the students who check all 3 of those boxes. Not 1, not 2, but all 3. Perfectly. And it totally nails it. The AI gets it exactly right. It finds the 3 students who fit every single one of those criteria. And what's cool is, it was smart enough to ignore the other kids, like the one whose lesson was too early or the other one who was too old. Boom. Perfect score on challenge number 1.
All right, let's ramp up the difficulty a bit. For the next test, they built a whole new agent, this time feeding it a custom spreadsheet full of financial data. And the question is a direct comparison: which company has a higher PE ratio? So the AI can't just find a number, it has to find 2 numbers and then tell us which one's bigger.
So the AI dives into the spreadsheet, pulls out Tesla's PE, pulls out AMD's, and then correctly says, yep, Tesla's is higher. And this is the important part, right? It didn't just spit out the numbers. It actually did the comparison we asked for. It answered the real question.
Okay, now for the final boss. This is the toughest challenge yet. This question is way more than just finding a number in a spreadsheet. Now, the AI has to read through those super dense, kind of boring corporate filings and pull out a summary of a key theme. This is a big step up.
And once again, it totally delivers. It comes back with this really sophisticated answer. The AI actually pieced together information from all over the document, highlighting what management was saying about things like cloud growth and how important AI is for the company's future. I mean, that is miles beyond a simple "find me this number."
So, okay, we've seen what this thing can do. The agent passed every single test we threw it at. But how? How does it actually work? It might seem like magic, but the process is actually way more straightforward than you might think.
So what's the secret sauce here? What's the engine under the hood that lets this AI become an expert on these niche topics so darn fast? Well, it all comes down to something called its knowledge base.
And honestly, this is the most important takeaway. There was no crazy, complex coding involved here. The AI's brain was built just by pointing it at a few sources. That's it. The Excel files we saw, a public website like Yahoo Finance, and those official SEC filings. It becomes an absolute expert at finding the exact right piece of the puzzle to answer your question. Look, asking questions about spreadsheets and websites is pretty cool, for sure. But that's really just the tip of the iceberg for what a platform like this is actually built for.
Because the real power here isn't just having a Q&A bot. It's about plugging these custom agents into your actual daily work, connecting them to the tools your team is already using every single day.
Like, for example, you can drop one of these agents right into Slack or Salesforce. You can teach it new skills just by feeding it a URL. You can make it speak dozens of languages, lock down the security, and even track how well it's doing with analytics. We're talking about a full-on, professional-grade toolkit here.
And this brings us right back to the beginning, doesn't it? This whole journey started with a failed test, and let's be honest, a lot of skepticism. But after seeing the AI nail every question once the data was clean, well, the conclusion was pretty clear. This stuff actually works. Faith in the tool was totally restored.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. If you could point an AI at any set of your data, I'm talking project files, your team's internal wiki, all your customer support tickets, and ask it anything, what would you build? The tools to do this are getting easier to use every day, and man, the possibilities are pretty amazing to think about.